Technically, a food can be kosher when there is no program, as long as the reality is that the food and the process are following the rules of kosher, and everything is 100% within those rules. So then the food will be kosher. You don't need any rabbis. You don't need anything. It just is. The problem is these rules are very, very complex. There are so many of them. They deal in so many different areas, and there are so many branches and other things about them that you really need a system to be able to control actually what you do for kosher. To deal with kosher in just individual rules or regulations on a paper hit and miss, where you'll accomplish one thing, you're going to miss four other things. You need a very, very defined system. You really need a standard operating procedure. And that's what a kosher program brings to a company. That's what it brings to a plant. It brings a standard operating procedure, an SOP, towards producing kosher product the same way there's an SOP for allergens, the same way there's an SOP for every other process in a facility. So too, a kosher program really creates that SOP, that standard operating procedure to make those products kosher.